We will guide you through how to make floating text effect in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows key to open the Start menu on your computer. Type CapCut into the search field and launch the CapCut desktop application from the search results. Wait for the editor to open completely before continuing. Create a new project or load an existing project if you already have one prepared. Import the video you want to edit, then drag the video clip onto the main timeline so it is ready for editing. Next, select the Text tab from the toolbar located at the top of the editor. Click Add Text and type the words you want to display in your video. Customize the appearance of the text by adjusting the font, size, color, style, and placement until it matches the look you want. Once your text is ready, select the text layer on the timeline to reveal its editing options. Open the animation panel from the text settings to access the available animation presets. Browse through the list until you find the floating animation, then click it to apply the effect to your text. After applying the animation, adjust the animation duration to control how quickly or slowly the floating motion plays. A shorter duration creates faster movement, while a longer duration produces a smoother and gentler floating effect. Continue experimenting with the timing until the animation matches your editing style and the overall pace of your video. Preview the animation in the playback window to see how the floating text appears on screen. Watch the animation several times from different points in the timeline to make sure the movement looks natural and blends well with the background footage. Once everything looks the way you want, play the project from beginning to end for one final review. Finally, save your project to preserve the completed floating text effect for future editing or exporting.